Hello, welcome to my channel. Currently here at Mira, somewhere in Jordan or Hong Kong. Mira here in Hong Kong is quite affordable. And here's all the blind boxes. The drinks here are around 13, 15, 17. So it's quite affordable for most of the customers. And so now let's go on a walk around Jordan, and later we will head to Uniqlo. This Uniqlo branch is quite unique because there's this customization of clothes that you can do, and here is me share from the outside. Let's go for a walk. So now this is the Jordan area. We're walking along this pathway here.
？Yes，要到了。过。
现在超白了呢。
Almost。
真，等下回去要跑很远。
可以用，不用。
有地铁没？
左登咯。可是要看一下啦 ，maybe 再走一点，用那 the next 地铁走去要马北。
On the right side, you can see some of the adverts for real estate, so you can rent the places here, and as well as buy and sell properties.
可以这条下去就是了。上面那边。上面这边这样。对。注意要到新 key 啊，要到了，你新 key 我不会读啊。
We are now walking under the famous bamboo scaffoldings of Hong Kong. These are quite famous. It's quite amazing to walk along the pathway with these bamboo scaffoldings above us.
你3位啊嘛，係咪？排住先第一張咁啊，沒有。這個哈，
新 key
還沒有懷疑。
哦，好像還要再下一點。我看一下。
成這個哈，
應該是了，我再看。
Let's go check out what's here famous in Sinki here. They are famous for their dumplings. These are the dumplings. This is the price we paid for our food. And they have these noodles that taste slightly like spaghetti, but it tastes good. And then this is what we ordered. The porridge here. The meat in the porridge, the wonton soup. And the next picture is the atmosphere inside. After the wonderful meal, it's time to continue the walking tour here.
你看那第2樓是什麼？你看第2樓。
啊？
哦，是 market 啊。哇，something like night market。不确定，看一下，因为它很多种 market 的。
这个一种的啊。不往边，不往边。这是那种赌钱哈，那种。
啊，对了。
很乱。我们来这边。
哦，那边是要直直去那边，回头那边咯。
This is the Jollibee here in Hong Kong. I'm just looking at the price here. If you want to look at it, you can pause this video for a while. This is a claw machine shop here, and they have lots of good prices inside.
学把很高兴的东西了。
这个像 daily cat 啊，这种是真的。
对了。
哇，这什么东西？
嗯。啊，都吃东西好了。
一次多少嘞
60哈。
年头60。
应该一次
不是
60。
不懂一头一起5块哈。
这个可以哦，5 page 可以。
一次5块啦。
52就10个 coin 咯。
这很容易啊，这个点点的。
对了。
MRT 下来那边。
哦，
This is a very famous shop that sells egg waffle. A lot of celebrities have come here to try out the egg waffle. That's why there's a crowd here waiting for their egg
所以有
waffles.
来过，
啊，
所以有来过。
下高。这是酸菜。好，3点。这版的。
随便啦。来 try 看，先赶紧 try 一个咯。开了。
哦，不一样呀。
没有就要到了，要到了，
到了。
差不多这吧。比较 more need the North Bridge 啊。等下 turn left around 200 meters 好几个。
Uniqlo 也是那个 area 啊。
somewhere nearby 啦。好了 Uniqlo 就去 Uniqlo。
We're now here at Mira Place, and then this is like a shopping mall, and then we're heading into Uniqlo.
你去看 Uniqlo，我在那边喝咖啡啊。一下走，你去看先，我一下走进去。
This is what the Uniqlo cafe looks like here in Hong Kong. It has these minimalistic vibes. Ordered a latte and a matcha latte. Gonna enjoy a bit. This is the milk, and that's where the coffee is made. Here we are. This is at the lower story here. This is the customization iPad. You can customize your Uniqlo clothes and use these Hong Kong stickers on these clothes and then order them. It is something that I've not seen before in a Uniqlo store. This is quite unique. This is something unique to Hong Kong.
我可以再多加一个购物袋吗？
你是想要都一件吗？
多一个购物袋，
你想要
一件 polo 衫，一个199的购物袋，可以吗？还是要重新付货？
I'm not sure how the customization works. I'm trying to click all these buttons. Just trying out and see how it works. This dim sum looking cat looks quite cute, so maybe it goes here. I'm just trying it out, but not buying it because it takes a couple of weeks, I think, to order this.
那小姐的设计是这样的吗？然后就加大码一件。
It's a Muji here next to Uniqlo, so a lot of minimalistic Japanese designs for those who love those simple things in life. Lots of different snacks here that you can get. The strawberries are quite good.
Matcha chocolate.
Hả?
Fish in
哦，很大的猫。刚才你要在这边找
你说有吗？
你说这边附近。
哦，不是在这吗？
This is the decor here at Mira Place. This
哦
video will end very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like it. And the next part of this video will be heading to one of my favorite places in Hong Kong, which is Dodong Key.
可以用键盘。我哋傾下。